Hey everyone, this is Shalini and thank you so much for visiting and subscribing to my channel. We will discuss the content of the video. In last video I talked about the composition in photography which was part 1. आज बात करेंगे part 2 की क्योंकि बहुत सारे rules हैं. So we'll start with the rules here. The first rule here is rule of odds. Rule of odds, what does it say? Suppose if you are going to take an image. So an image is visually attractive if it has got odd number of elements. Okay, odd number of elements अगर आप रखते हो अपने frame में तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा appealing लगता है eyes को, and that is very natural. क्योंकि even numbers में क्या होता है कि even numbers they cancel each other and so you don't know where to focus on. Your mind gets confused, your eyes get confused. So odd numbers in general, usually you see odd numbers, any picture or anything you see odd numbers, so they are visually attractive. Okay, so we will see the examples of rule of odds. For example, if we see there are 6 objects in a picture, the paired ones cancel each other and you don't know where to focus on. But same here, if you see there are 7 objects, so you naturally focus on the odd one. For example, if we see this picture, there are 3 objects and the odd one is out because the paired one cancel. Same concept is utilized here also, but there are 5 objects over here and few examples. Now the next rule is focus on foreground. Focus on foreground means this is my foreground because this is in front of me, this is midground and this wall is acting as a background. So you are focusing mainly on foreground here. What it does is it creates a sense of depth in the picture. So you are completely into the picture, and even a simple scene you can make it more attractive and more appealing. So you can focus on foreground and it looks good because the pictures are 2D things, 2-dimensional they are. So it gives a 3D effect in the picture. So you can try using this composition technique. You can try focusing on foreground to give depth in your pictures. So we'll see the examples again. Now look at this picture. What is acting as a foreground over here? Yes, these small flowers are acting as a foreground, and because of that the picture is looking really nice. The same concept over here also. These green leaves are acting as a foreground and the picture is looking attractive. Last example. So next is the filling the frame. Filling the frame, as the name suggests, here you are filling the frame with the subject. Okay, there is no space in and around the subject, so the frame is completely filled with your subject or the element. Okay, so इससे क्या होता है कि completely you are into that subject and completely you are engaged into that subject. तो इसमें पूरी detailing भी आपको पता चलती है. तो you can include this composition technique while taking pictures. So जैसे कि portraits लेते हैं या बहुत ही close pictures लेते हैं, तो that comes under filling the frame. Okay, so we'll see the examples. You can see here the frame is filled with the petals of the flower. Here also the frame is filled with the half portion of the flower. You can use other objects also to fill the frame. Next rule is rule of space. Rule of space, what does it say? This rule is related to direction and the movement. Basically you are moving or something is moving. So make sure you are including some kind of spacing in your picture, in your framing, so that you get engaged into the picture and you move accordingly. Okay, suppose if the person is walking from this direction, so you keep this much of spacing, or if any car is going or any train is moving, so you keep a little bit of spacing in the direction of the movement. It creates a sense of engagement in the picture, a sense of depth in the picture, so that you get engaged and the picture looks attractive. So again we will see the examples. So you can observe from this picture a van is coming from left to right direction and there is still little bit of area or spacing is left for it to travel. One more example here, you can see the spacing in the direction of the movement of the boat. It could be from left to right or right to left also. Next is contrasting colors. So okay, we can use this idea of colors also in your picture because they really enhance the picture, they really make your picture look attractive. ओके, सो फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव आइडिया अबाउट द कलर्स एज वेल. एक कलर व्हील होता है. कलर व्हील में क्या होता है कि सारे कलर्स होते हैं एंड द कलर्स सिटिंग अक्रॉस दे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर. आपको पता होना चाहिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर्स कौन से होते हैं. जैसे कि ब्लू कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है ऑरेंज को या रेड को, रेड कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है ग्रीन को. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. सपोज देयर इज़ अ ब्लू बैकग्राउंड एंड देयर इज़ अ रेड कार स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट, सो दैट क्रिएट a good contrast. So you can use this concept. Movie posters, banners, pamphlets में ये concept use होता है. That's why they look really attractive. So yes, you should know about the colors also and have an idea and get an idea about the colors. Okay, so we will see the examples. So you can see a good contrast is created by the blue background of the sky and the golden color of the India Gate here. Again, various contrasting colors here. Contrast between the orange and the green. Again, a well composed picture using various contrasting colors. Last is simplicity and minimalism. So you can try framing with very minimal subjects in your picture. कभी कभी उससे भी picture काफ़ी attractive लगता है. Keeping just only one object in your picture can make your picture look more attractive. Okay, and your picture look well composed. कभी कभी लगता है इसमें किसी और चीज़ की ज़रूरत ही नहीं इस पिक्चर में, जस्ट ओनली वन एलिमेंट. ओके, एंड या इट लुक्स रियली ग्रेट. सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो एंड विल सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. सो यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर इज लुकिंग अट्रैक्टिव जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दोज ड्रॉपलेट्स. अगेन इन दिस पिक्चर दिस लाइट पोल इज क्रिएटिंग द इफेक्ट and the last one with the minimalistic style. Okay, so that's it. There are so many rules, but most important thing is ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको यह रूल हमेशा फॉलो करना है, because rules are meant to be broken. So you can break the rules, you can go against it. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि आपको रूल्स ही फॉलो करना है and then you have to click it. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि you are violating the rule, still you are getting a well composed picture. So you can try this and ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको हमेशा ये करना है, but yes, you should know about them. You should have idea about the framing. You should have idea about the ways of composing the pictures. Okay, so that's it. हो गया. और भी काफ़ी कुछ rules हैं, वो मैं बाद में बताऊँगी. तो try clicking pictures based on these rules. That's it. Okay, so we'll meet next week. Like, share, subscribe and learn from it. Thank you so much guys. We'll see you next week. Bye. It's raining.